many of the person behave like that. I can speak the UK accent, so that will attract more of the people's attention. So that doesn't look cool actually for in my
Yeah,
perception.
yeah. We have to be natural.
Yeah, that is the
We
good thing.
can,
Yeah.
it is more empowering to be natural.
Yeah.
Hello.
Can you hear me, ma'am?
I can hear you, Chandan. How are
Thank you so
you?
much. Yeah, I'm doing great. Thank you so much. And how are you, ma'am?
I'm doing well. And uh, how? So, what are you doing, Chandan?
Well, I'm a web designer. I have a couple of clients from the United States, so I work from home.
Oh, so you're a freelancer.
Yeah, you can say that because earlier I used to work for a company in New Delhi for the last 12 years. And now for like 3 years, I am working for myself as a freelancer, you can say. Yeah.
So, are you happier with the change?
Yeah, I'm very happy. I'm very happy. I'm very peaceful because what I wanted, I'm getting it.
Yeah, you got a lot of experience, work experience. So,
Yeah, that experience I'm using it right now because I love my skill, but I do not like to work in a company. I did not like to work in a company. You know, there are a lot of politics and there are a lot of circumstances that you don't like it. So I decided like several years ago that I wanted to do something for myself. So I started working on it, and here I am, and here I landed here.
so Jamshedpur is your hometown.
Yeah.
You've always stayed in Jamshedpur, like as a
No,
child?
no, no. Actually, I just bought a home in 2019. I belongs to I am originally from Jharkhand, but not the Jamshedpur. It's a state. It's a city called Dhanbad. Have you heard
Yeah,
the name?
yeah.
Dhanbad. So where I was born there, but in Jamshedpur I just shifted. I just bought a home here, and now earlier I was in New Delhi for the last 12 years.
So
Yeah,
where did you
so I was
stay in Delhi? Where did you stay in
out
Delhi?
Uttam Nagar.
Okay.
Uttam Nagar.
And your
You are also in New Delhi.
Delhi, yeah. So
Okay, which part?
was your office is close by?
No. It was Noida Sector 135. It was too
So
far.
did you travel by
I
metro?
yeah, metro and then cab. It took me like 2.5 hours to reach office one way. So
Yeah,
5 hours journey and 9 hours, 10 hours job. It was pathetic. Like 15 hours in a day I
yeah.
used to
The
spend.
quality of life really, there's no quality of life then, unless you're
Yeah, I know
staying
that.
very close to the office.
You know what I observed there. Whatever you earn, lot of money there, you will expend. You will not have that ability to save that money. People were enjoying the present day. They were not thinking for the future. They were not building their own career in a good way because everybody is struggling. Everybody is saying that I love the job, but I don't know how to multiply my skill to have a better life, good quality of life. So everyone,
Hmm.
I
Hmm.
have seen the corporate world. Like after 1 year you will get a small hike. That small hike will not give you the
Yeah,
your importance of your
inflate
life.
and
Yeah,
inflation will rise also.
yeah. That's why I decided to left the place. It took me 5 years to completely leave the place because
Hmm.
it's like a mud. When you get inside you will not able to get it out. So it was very difficult to leave the place because once you get there, you took a loan, and then it's very difficult to leave your job. You leave the city, you have to be stuck. If you get a overload of work, you have to work on it. So that was very
So you took a risk, basically, Chandan.
yeah, yeah,
You took
yeah.
a big risk.
Actually, yeah, big risk as well as I have some backup. I just have a backup because when I build my own client, that client become permanent. So with those basis of those client, I decided let's jump, let's try to do something more with my own. So that was the biggest, you can say, the turning point of my life. But I wanted to do because I was not happy in the corporate world. I
Hmm.
like my job. I like my skill. I like the coding part because I am a web designer. I used to design as well as code. So I love my skill. I have my confidence that I can get a job. Even though in a smaller city, I will get a job with very less salary, but that's okay. I will be happy. More importantly.
So
So
you feel what is better? Staying in a smaller town is better?
yeah, so far I think it's better. I'm here. Here I'm staying like for the last 12 years, and not 2 years. 2019 I shifted here. Like it's like almost 2 years completed. So I feel like very peace. So there is no, so noise every time. Like in the night, I feel the noise everywhere. The noise, like your mind gets stuck. You will not get a peace sleep. Whenever you want to sleep, you will not get that much of like a baby child sleep. When the baby sleep, you will not sleep that way. Here I am. The people are limited. People are like they have the humors. They think they talk the people among themselves. So if anything happens, people come and ask. In the metro city, nobody will ask what will happen to you. Nobody cares. I remember one incident, like one of my colleague got like fell down from the bike, and he just broke his hand, and he took a leave for 1 week, and he come after 3 weeks. So
He
the company
came
said,
after.
you
He
he
came
came after.
after.
Yeah, he came after 3 weeks. The company said to that guy that you are fired because the client has gone due to your extra weeks holiday. So that was
Hmm.
so
So
never think
good.
they corporate world never think your personal problems, your issues, because they are doing the business. You are just an
Hmm.
employee. You are nothing more than an employee. So that is the thing happens.
But so your family is staying with you? You are married or
Yeah,
no?
yeah, married. I have a
Okay.
4 years little daughter. She just turned
Okay.
5. Yeah, day before yesterday.
Okay. Okay. So your wife was with you in Delhi first?
Yeah, my wife was Delhi for the
You.
last 4 years. 4 years. Then we decided that earlier we
Okay.
decided to buy a home there, New Delhi. But we think the quality of life, if you want the quality in your life, we have to be moved somewhere else. Because Delhi is the place for the job, not
Hmm.
for staying, in my perception. Because people were struggling, running for the job here and there. They do not have that single moment of time to stay and talk to any friend calmly, peacefully. I have
Hmm.
seen, I have seen in the 12 years, I just found that that place is not for the complete life for staying.
Hmm. Hmm.
That is the thing.
Yeah,
If
that is correct.
if those who are
Yeah.
originally from there, that is no problem. You cannot do anything. Like those people who are originally born in New Delhi, so they do not have any choices. But we were like our like outside. We come from the small town to the bigger town. We have the options. We can. So we acted. We did it, and here I am.
But Jamshedpur also must not be a very small town. It is fairly big town, no?
Yeah, it's a big town, but as comparing to the metro city like New Delhi or Mumbai, I'm just comparing to New Delhi as and Mumbai. People are so
And
much crowded.
how
Like every
do you
yeah.
have public transport in Jamshedpur?
Yes, yes.
I
The
mean,
bus
within
service
the
is there.
city?
Yeah, within the city, bus service is everywhere from. You will get like 2 rupees uh, card, and that you will travel like 10 kilometers. So it is by the Tata, provided by the Tata, which runs inside the city. Yeah,
Okay, okay.
this is a good part.
And but what are the positive points of a metro, big city? What do you think?
Yeah, the good part is that you can embellish yourself. You have a lot of options. Whatever you wanted to do in your life, you will get that platform there. In a smaller city, you will not get that thing. You did the graduation, you did the
Hmm.
MBA. The only value of that those things in the metro city. You have to come from the metro city if you want to do use your skill. And in a smaller city, you will not
Hmm.
get things. So what I did, I use my skill and I get experience 12 years, and those skill I'm using in my place as a experience. So whatever the things which I
Hmm.
start here, it is like new things here. So I just propose to so many clients that I can brand your web, I can brand your business, I can multiply your business with my skill in very smaller amount. I just like couple of clients I just is talking to me because they were putting so much money in the radio advertisement. I just said to me, just give me a small amount of money, whatever you put in the radio advertisement here, and I will multiply your business. And here I am. I just multiplied one of the client, and client is very happy, and he suggested me to another client. So that is a thing. People are unaware about the latest skills which I am upgraded from in the metro cities. So here I am also
So
have a lot of opportunities. Yeah.
good, Chandan. I'm very happy for you. And when we say we don't say advertisement, we say advertisement.
Advertisement. Okay. Perfect.
Mhm. So most
Thank
of
you.
your clients are from US only.
Yeah, United States, and one is Australia, and another one is Dubai as well.
But
So
Indians, are they all Indians?
no, not Indians. They are originally from United
Okay,
States.
native
Yeah, native.
Australian.
They are the native speakers
Okay,
as well as yeah.
good, good. That's very
And the
good.
reason I came to Clappingo to improve my the quality of speech while I have a conversation, somewhere I stuck while the conversation, like description of the projects and other things. So I just want to improve my skill, the quality of speak,
Vocabulary, you must
vocabulary.
improve your
Yeah,
vocabulary. So
yeah, exactly.
vocabulary, I hope you're reading you must start reading the newspaper every day.
Yes. I always read the newspaper as well as I watch English shows, movies, so that I can adopt new vocabulary every day.
Yeah, vocabulary, and you need to work on your uh, pronunciation also, your accent.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
because
Uh,
we are so many states in India, and every state has a different
hmm,
mother tongue
accent.
influence. Yes,
Yeah.
so we all
Um,
have.
I don't want to imitate others like accent like the US or UK.
No,
I
no,
just
no.
want to be normal as what I am.
We don't have to imitate them. We don't have to copy them, but we have to lessen that mother tongue influence because we are talking in another language. So unless
Yes.
we're talking in that mother tongue only, then it is okay. So that we have to be conscious about.
Okay.
Otherwise,
Okay.
why should we copy anyone? We don't have to
Yeah.
copy. And
Because many
moreover,
of the person behave like that. I can speak the UK accent, so that will attract more of the people's attention. So that doesn't look cool actually for in my
yeah,
perception.
yeah, one, we have to be natural.
Yeah, that is the
We
good thing.
can, it is more empowering to be natural.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
And also yeah, and also they use some items and phrases which is totally new for Indians. Like one of the clients just said to me, just shoot me tomorrow. Actually they meant to say that send me an email tomorrow. So that is a very native items and phrases they use it.
yeah.
So
So maybe you can go on net and find these the current ones. Like many of them we don't know also, and especially this very young children use all this slangs
yes, yeah,
and so you go through the generally the idioms, you go through them, the phrases, and with a little practice, and you're dealing with all foreigners.
yes,
So yeah, it's good. It will be gradually you will become very confident.
yeah, that is the good thing. And also I practice one day in Cambly as well, so that I can have a habit of that accent as well.
Native,
So
they're all native
yeah,
speakers, huh?
yeah, they're all native. For mostly in the US and UK, all teachers are from USA and UK, and more some are like South Africa as well.
Also,
Like three countries.
there are no Indian teachers.
No, I did not find any Indians. Like for the last 2 months, I did not find any Indians. All the tutors are from their United States.
You are doing both Cambly and this Clippingo.
Clappingo. Yeah, one day in the Cambly and 3 days here as Clappingo.
Okay. Yeah, good.
So in a habit of to because we barely talk to anybody in English. So how it can be stick with your tongue? So it is very difficult in India. Nobody speaks. Even there is a very great value of English. If you do not speak English, people will not give you value here. But again, here nobody speaks in English. In society, you will not find any people to speak English. But whenever you go to some places, everybody will try to talk with you in English. So so barely you will get any partner to speak. So where I get this platform, this is very good. And
What about
thanks to
your
Clapping.
wife? What about your wife? She doesn't talk in English?
She talks, but she's not like as a native what we think. She barely talks. Actually, we were not we didn't habit now. We are like in the mother tongue of Hindi language. So we are used to speak and we are speaking Hindi. So people forget, oh, I talk in English. Oh, that is, we forgot. So this is not in the habit. So it takes time, people to speak every time, every moment.
Yeah, but you know what? Yeah, you must talk to your daughter also in English. Start talking
Yeah,
to her in English.
yeah, I start talking because
Yeah.
in the classes, every teacher, nobody teachers speak in Hindi a single word. For the last 5 months, I have seen in the classroom, like the virtual class, online classes going on, our daughters.
They talk in
So every
English.
teacher, yeah, every teacher, everyone, nobody speaks a
So,
single
so
Hindi word.
she is at that stage when you must encourage her to read a lot. You know,
Yes,
you can have a family reading time. When
yes.
everyone sits for 15-20 minutes, everyone has to read something. So
That's
she'll
nice
get
thing.
used to, like I was teaching in a school earlier, we used to have once a month, we used to have a reading time. Like the
Okay,
teachers, even the maids, everyone had to drop everything and read. We could not
that's
do
a
our
good thing.
corrections. Yeah, so the children, and then once they get used to, that hesitation will go. And
Yeah, yeah. The
yeah,
confidence will build up.
yes. So
Great.
it's a good thing. You'll also get practice, and maybe you can even your wife with little practice. We all need a little practice. That's
Yeah,
all.
yeah. That's all. Yeah, everybody
It's
will.
not that we don't
That
understand English. We do understand, but that because we've never spoken, so we feel hesitant.
exactly.
So for your daughter's
Yeah,
sake, also start talking to her only in English.
great. Thank you, ma'am. It's a great
Yeah, yeah.
suggestion. I will really follow it. And
Yes, yes.
it is really nice
Mm. And
tips. I really
and and
use it.
motivational talks. Watch some TED talks.
Yeah,
Watch some
I watch
nice,
it.
with your daughter also. Watch some nice movies for kids also, like. Um, And there were such good movies when my son was growing up. You could watch those, The Lion King, and
Yeah.
all those, watch it in English and let her also get used to it. Because mother tongue we
Exactly.
all learn side by side, but English is
Mm.
an important language.
It's become the important part of life in India, as you
Yes,
see.